Hey, what's up everybody? So let's talk about Periscope and what is a Periscope and how it actually works in a phone. First off, I'll let you know that Samsung now is learning from Huawei when they actually applied the P20 Pro. So the P20 Pro has a zoom camera, a 3x zoom, and to be able to reach the 3x zoom, you just one click and you go optical 3x, but you don't get it like from 1x to 2x. There is a gap between them that is not optical, it's digital zoom. So what happened here is that the main camera zoom in 2x until it reaches 3x and the camera flips to optical. So if we look at the P40 Pro that is coming up, Huawei might bring out the 10x zoom, which is the new technology. So in order to make a 10x zoom, you first off, let's go back to the main camera. The main camera is going to give you this focal length, right? Whatever comes forward, zooming on, is digital until you reach the optical lens that it is applied in the phone, which is either 3x, 5x, or 10x. So in that case, Huawei might need to put two lenses, a 5x lens and a 10x lens zoom, so that when it's reached the 5x, you are digitally zooming until you reach the 10x and the camera flips back to the optical 10x zoom. And then you can just go back to zooming in more than 10x, of course digital. So that's the technique that is going on. So the more zoom cameras probably is the better, of course. There is a reason why the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 had dual zoom cameras, right? Like 2x and then the 5x. So you can have an optical 2x and optical 5x if you want to. No digital. So that's the idea behind it. And we will actually, I'd love to see Samsung really emphasize on that. So the more cameras, like I've heard Sony just coming out now like with the 6 camera on the phone, which is crazy. 6 camera. What's gonna put in a 6 camera phone? Probably 5x, 10x zoom, and then I'm gonna drop an ultra wide, macro. That's 4, right? What else we have? Bokeh, 5. There's 6. What is the 6th one? Maybe a 10x zoom. Probably. That could be. Anyways, guys, this is just a simple explanation of the Periscope theory on the phone, so you don't get confused about getting a fully optical zoom from 1 to x. No, you get a digital zoom from 0 to 10 or 0 to 5x. You're having a digital zoom until you reach the 5x. The algorithm is gonna switch the camera into optical. Thank you guys. See you guys later.